Students, before you write the questions, I would like to tell you that don't take any pressure or strain or any tension that you have to answer the question in proper manner and you have to write the question correctly. Don't take any tension. Only I have read the poem before you. I have explained the content or the summary of the poem and what is the background of the poem. I have already told you. Just on the basis of this, you just try to answer the questions. I am giving you only 3 questions. You just try to write, try to answer the questions. And when we will meet face to face, then I will definitely tell you and definitely guide you, and you will note down according to my teaching when the school will reopen. So don't worry about it and don't take any sort of tension or stress. So first question, word meaning, because very simple words are there in the poem. So word meaning, that is not necessary. Only the questions I am giving you. You please note down the questions. Question number 1. What message the poet has conveyed through the lines of the poem? What message the poet has conveyed through the lines of the poem? Question number 2. They too, this is the line, I have quoted the line, they too aware of sun and air and water. Note down within inverted comma. Stanza 2, first line. They too aware of sun and air and water within inverted comma. Elucidate the line, that means clarify the line. Elucidate, E-L-U-C-I-D-A-T-E. Clarify the line or explain the line. Question 3, only 3 questions because it is not, these are not short answer type questions. That is why I have given you 3 questions. Through the third stanza, just now I read before you, third stanza. Through the third stanza, what does the poet want to say? Through the third stanza, what does the poet want to say? So students, this much for the day. Answer 3 questions. Don't take any kind of pressure or tension, or don't get stressed yourself. Try to answer the questions, and after that I am there to tell you the answer of the question. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.